Unraveling the phrase, looking like a baby. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a unique expression that you might have heard or even used yourself, looking like a baby. This phrase carries more meaning than you might initially think, and understanding it can add a charming touch to your English conversations. So, let's break it down together. First off, let's tackle the literal interpretation of looking like a baby. Literally, this could describe someone who has physical features that are reminiscent of a baby's. Think soft, smooth skin, big eyes, or even a certain innocence in their expression. It's often used affectionately to describe someone who has a youthful appearance, regardless of their actual age. Moving beyond the literal, looking like a baby often holds a figurative meaning. It can describe someone who is showing qualities associated with babies, such as innocence, vulnerability, or the need for protection. This expression doesn't just comment on physical appearance, it delves into personality traits and behaviors too. For instance, someone might say this after observing a person's innocent wonder at something new or their genuine, unguarded reactions. Understanding when and how to use this phrase is key. Looking like a baby is typically used in informal contexts and can be a term of endearment among friends or family. However, context is crucial. While it can be affectionate in one setting, it might be seen as patronizing or offensive in another, especially if used to undermine someone's maturity or competence. Always consider the relationship between the speaker and the listener, as well as the listener's personal feelings about such comparisons. It's also important to note the cultural nuances. In some cultures, looking youthful or being compared to a baby is highly desirable and considered a compliment. In others, it might be less appreciated, especially in professional settings where maturity and experience are valued. Being sensitive to these nuances can help you navigate conversations more effectively and avoid potential misunderstandings. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, looking like a baby. Whether it's commenting on someone's youthful appearance or their endearing qualities, this expression is a fascinating example of the richness of the English language. We hope this video has shed some light on its meanings and uses, and that you'll feel more confident using it in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words but understanding the stories and emotions they convey. See you in the next video.